Hello again and welcome to Just My Opinion channel, where I give just my opinion for what it's worth on any products I've using purchased, and this is the section here where I cover opening the box. Today I'm going to be opening the box of the Rafo liquid level milk frother. I know that because it says it there, milk frother. So just get the nitty-gritty bits out of the way, which is like, subscribe if you can, primarily blah 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 blah, algorithms, all that sort of stuff. Enough of that. The main thing is this I have purchased myself. I'm not affiliated to anything. I will put a link at the bottom to it on Amazon. Again, I'm not affiliated. I would like to be, but I need more traffic. So click on that, increase the traffic, and if you can, like and subscribe. If you subscribe, when I do the follow-up video to this to give my opinion on this, having used it myself, you'll be notified. So let's get on with it. The box was not wrapped. Not every box is. So I can't give you the pleasure of seeing it unwrapped. It's a nice looking box. Weight is not too bad. Let's have a look inside, see what we've got. If I can fight my way in. Just talk amongst yourself for a minute. Here we go, here we go, there we go, there we go, and there we are. Okay, so let's have a look. What is in the box today, children? Packaging, lovely. A Rafo instruction manual. And I guess the warranty card. I have not got a clue what those two items are. We'll have a look in a moment. The one reason I bought this one is I've got another milk frother which I will do as a part comparison. That is all in one unit, so when you wash it, you have to put the electrics near the tap. Obviously you don't put it under the tap, but in order to wash it out, you have to do that. This one, the actual frothing part, just put that over there, cardboard packaging there, is totally separate. So it comes off, take the lid off, pour your lovely frothed milk, and then you can take it away and wash it. This here is the electrical gubbins, so that sits on there. I will have a look at what all the buttons mean and go through that on the second video. So remember, like and subscribe, you'll be notified. If you're watching this video, I forgot to say this, if you're watching this video after I've already tested it, done the second video, I would have put a link somewhere to the Just My Opinion for what it's worth video, so you can watch that as well. Phew, I think that's it. Let's have a tip. These items are bugging me. We need to find out what they are. So it says here, viewers, 5 sponge brush. Interesting. Let's have a look. So inside, if you can see that, we have got the frother bit, so it's nothing to do with that. So milk frother, power base, milk frother, power base, two. Number two is that bit right at the bottom that I've just shown you there. That's the bit that does all of the frothing. Depending on your size of your hands, is how easy that is to go back in. So that's that bit sorted out. User manual, that must be that user manual. This is what I'm looking at, this bit here. Sponge brush assembly required. Okay, sorry if this is going on a bit, but I just feel the need to know what this is. Packaging, sure you don't want to see that anymore. Let's have a look. Bit of cellophane to open up. Okay, you've got to make sure you are super qualified to do assembly of sponge brush. Oh, there we are. Okay, right, okay. This is your sponge brush. That goes in there. Clips in. I take it, I will let you know later when we talk again in the next video. I take it that's for sponging out and washing around. I won't clip it in for the time being, but there we are. Okay, that's it. I know I said that before, but it really is this time. Let me know in the comments section. I haven't actually shown, I will show you the box. Here we go, here we go. Tell me, I'm all new to this, so help me out with this. There is that side of the box, the front of the box, side of the box, and another side of the box, fourth side. Leave any comments, let me know if I could have done anything better, what you'd like to see, anything else, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye.